Welcome to the vlog. We have an unboxing today. I'm going over this Bridgerton NYX collab. It's such a beautiful glitzy glam collection. It's so beautiful. I want to know in the comments how many of you watch Bridgerton, how many of you are excited for the new season. I'm always a little skeptical of the upcoming season because I get so into the main characters of the last season that I wonder, can I, take on a new protagonist? Can I really get into it? But they do such a good job with the character development and really drawing you in, I think, that I love them just as much every time, except I still think the second season might still be my favorite. I just like those characters the most. I like that they're a little bit older, and I don't know, I really liked that season the best, I think, out of all of them. And then maybe the first season kind of comes second for me in terms of which one I like the best. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite season of Bridgerton so far. The theme of this collection is Mask On because there's going to be a masquerade ball in the upcoming season. I'm sure it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And this is the box that it comes in if you get the entire collection. I would say my one criticism is that it does not come with an eyeshadow palette. I do wish it had an eyeshadow palette, though you can use the blush palettes as eyeshadow. I've actually been using some of them as kind of a bronzer. I don't have any blush on right now, so I'm gonna swatch them on my face so I can show you guys what some of the shades look like on, but I actually use some of them as a bronzer. I use some of them as a contour on my eye, as eyeshadow, so it's nice multi-use like that. But so if you get the full collection, it comes in this box, and it's 3 blush palettes, 2 eyeliners, 2 highlighters, and 2 lip gloss. They're butter gloss lip colors. All of it is 50% off right now. It's the perfect time to buy. The full set is usually $90. It's only $45 right now for all of that stuff. That's such a good deal. These are the different blush palettes here. There's 3 different ones, and they are currently on sale for just $7.50. It's such a good deal. The highlighters are only $6, and the liners are $5.50, and the butter gloss are only $3 right now. Let's get into the blush palettes. This Queen palette is personally my favorite. It just has better colors for my skin tone. It's the reds. This looks a little more pink on camera, I have to say, than it does in real life. It's like a cherry or like a raspberry red, and then of course this one has a little bit more brown to it. So I actually like to use this one as a bit of a bronzer. So like I said, I don't have blush on right now, so I can show you guys what this looks like. Let me just get that on right now real quick. This is that red color that's a little bit brownish, so I kind of put that on like as a bronzer, and then I blend it in with the blush. It does look really bright on, but it blends in really well with the blush. Then I use that lighter red as the blush color. Whoa, I got way too much. Holy moly. Okay, yeah, so it's really a pigmented formula. I'm just gonna go ahead and put too much on the side too, and then I'll fix both sides. Let me get a clean brush. Always have a clean brush handy that you can kind of blend out whenever you've put too much of something on. I don't know if I can save this without putting more powder on top of it though, because it is just, boy, I got way too much on the brush. Wow. So as you can see, it is highly pigmented. A little goes a long way. Oh boy, yeah, I'm gonna have to use my powder to fix this mess. This is a lot, but well, now you can see the color very well, that it is a nice dark berry color. I think I had some glitter in this. It might not have been a completely clean brush because I see little glittery particles in the air now. That's okay. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to blend this out a lot. Okay, I'm gonna buff it out with this other brush. It's a little bit more of a dense brush. Okay, I've almost fixed it. It's almost okay. I really need to put some powder on over it, which of course I don't have right in front of me right now, so I'd rather not have to go and get it. Okay, I think I've blended it out good enough. Just a little bit of blush blindness there. It's still a little bit little bit on the heavy side, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it like that. It's just, you can really see the color. It's definitely a nice raspberry red. Very, very pretty. I really like it. I do. I just put a little too much on. That's okay. Anyway, so that is the Queen palette. Now this is the Lady in Silver palette, and it's pinks. It's darker pinks. Let me just swatch it on my hand for you guys. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous pink. Oh, that is so stunning. And there's the other color. Oh, wow, just absolutely gorgeous. How beautiful is that? Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous bright pinks. They are definitely cool toned pinks, so best if you match cool toned makeup. It's gonna be better for you. Oh, it's so gorgeous, so, so gorgeous. And they all have little sayings. This one says, sparkle from within. What did the Queen one say? Let's get back to that one. That one said, flawless, my dear. And then this one is the Wallflower palette. It is a beautiful peachy palette. It makes me think of Daphne Bridgerton. She always had the beautiful light peachy pink colors on. Let me swatch them for you guys. So it's, oh, so gorgeous. I would say it's a little more peachy toned in real life. It's not coming off quite as warm and peachy as it is in real life. It's looking a bit more cool toned, but it is more peachy in real life. So beautiful. So you could use that as the blush and then use that shade as like a highlighter if you wanted to. I would put that on my eye. Let me just do that right now. So see if I can show you guys what some of this looks like on the eye. Such a pretty shimmery color, very fine shimmer. It's not like glittery at all, but it does have just a very slight shimmer to it. So you can definitely use it as a sort of, you know, shimmery topper or on your lids or on the inner corners of your eyes. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put that something from the Queen palette, that bronzer shade in the Queen palette. I'm gonna do that as a contour on my eyes to show you guys right now too. I'm gonna try not to put it on too heavy. Be a little more careful with it this time. There we go. See, it still comes on real, real pigmented. Just blend that out with my finger. I'm telling you, it does look a lot more bright and pink on camera than it does in real life. It's much more of a red in real life. It's just coming across a bit brighter on here on the camera, but there you see it just adds a nice contour color on your lid. And it does go well with that lighter shade. It's a nice, smooth, buttery texture. It's just like their buttermelt blushes, just such a buttery, soft, smooth, easy to blend formula. It's really, really nice. I love NYX. I've used so many of their products over the years. I love how it's still affordable. It's like a little more than like e.l.f. or CoverGirl, but to me, it's a little bit better quality as well. So you do get bang for your buck there, because it is always really good quality in my opinion. Now the highlighters, let's get to those because they are, whew, I think these blushes are strong. These highlighters are just so shimmery. So this one is the Iridescent Peach. It is just like their buttermelt highlighters, the same gorgeous formula. Let me swatch it for you right there. Actually, let me do that on the back of my hand and show you guys. There we go. Now you can see the peach. Definitely has that peachy tone to it. Oh, it's so beautiful. So it has a high shimmer and it does have a little bit of a sparkle to it. It's not super glittery, but it's definitely more than just shimmer. It does have some added sparkle to it for sure. Let me get a good amount on here. It's making sparkles in the air. There you guys can see it gives a nice gold kind of shimmer to it. It warms it up a bit. It warms up the look a bit. It's almost gold, but it's not a yellow gold. It's almost like a warm rose gold. Let me get it kind of higher up there. Really gives a nice shine. It has a beautiful, beautiful warmth to it. Just gorgeous, wow. And you could put some of this on your eye too. Let's kind of dab it up here. See how shiny that is? It's so beautiful. Definitely for a nice glam look. Really plays well with those berry and pink tones. The other highlighter is this light gold. It is yellow gold. I'm not gonna swatch it on my face here. I'll put it on my hand. If I can get it open, my goodness, why is this one so hard to open? Jeez. Okay, that is the light gold. See, it is straight up yellow. That is very, very yellow. That is definitely, if you are warm toned, I certainly wouldn't wear that shade. I'm sticking with the iridescent peach. I think it works really well with those warmer tones, with the reds and the berries. I might use this on my eyes. I have used gold. That's how I should use this up, is I've had gold eyeshadow, and that does look good with different tones, not with all these berry tones, but I've had gold on my eyes before, and it does look really pretty. So I definitely will be using this, my lingering Hungarian accent comes out every now and then, just a little bit. This gold, I'll definitely be using it on my eyes as eyeshadow. Okay, next up we have these Epic Ink Liner Glitz liquid eyeliners. There's a gold one and a silver one. This is the gold one. Let me swatch that for you. So you can see it's kind of subtle. It's not very bold. It's subtle. I saw it in some of the promos where it wasn't on top of liner. It was paired with a darker liner, and it was placed slightly above it as an extra line. You could certainly do that, or you could do it on top of your liner to add some shine to it. That's what I like this silver one for. It almost has like an iridescent shade to it. It's not a strong silver. I don't know if you guys can even see it on my hand there. There we go. So it's very, very iridescent and subtle. So I like it on top of my eyeliner just to give it a little bit of a shimmer to it. It really just shows up in person. It's not gonna come across on camera if I put it on right now, but it does look really pretty. It just adds a nice iridescence, a nice shine to your eyeliner. It makes it more glam, a little more elevated. Now the butter glosses, I love these. I love these so much. So it comes in a pink one that they are currently sold out. If you get the set, you could probably get this with the set, but as a single lip color, it is currently sold out as of now. I can't, that might change by the time you've watched this video. You just have to see on their website, on the NYX website. This is Angel Food Cake. It's such a pretty pink. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, well, it's almost like a mauve actually. It's so beautiful. And then Praline, I believe this is called Praline, is the other one. And it's a nice pinkish brown. I'll put that one on. I have it on a little bit already. It's a beautiful pinkish brown. Just a beautiful everyday shade. It's so easy to just wear. You don't need lip gloss with it. You can just put this on and go. It's pretty long lasting. It's very moisturizing. It's a nice non-sticky glossy lipstick. This one definitely goes a lot better with the red and pink tones that are in the rest of the collection. That is it. Let me know what you think of the collection. Let me know which season of Bridgerton is your favorite. I'm so excited for the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.